So what did I buy for $6 grand? A tractor, a shitty Civic, an '08 Ford F-250. No, my friends. I might have bought the cheapest Corvette C5 in the nation. And not only that, interior is mint. It's got brand new tires, 20-inch wheels. Look at them. Gorgeous. I'm replacing the turn signal. I had to replace the belt tensioner. The gentleman thought it had a bad power steering pump. It was the tensioner. Those race stripes are painted on. Has a clean title. It runs amazing. The exhaust sounded like crap. They had it straight piped. I got a Flowmaster Super 40 put on, a single, up basically where the transmission tunnel is. So here it is, $6,000 Corvette. It's had a paint job. It was originally silver. They did a okay job. It's pretty good. I don't understand why they went through the trouble of actually painting the stripes on, but then would chink out on certain things like this right here. They painted the rubber strip. I don't know why. I mean, I guess it blends in when you got the hood down. They missed a spot here, but they got the door jambs. So there's the door jambs. They actually painted them. They painted over the stickers. Good job, good job. This originally did not have black seats in it. He tried to give me the seats that came in it. They were terrible. I said, nah, that's okay. He put black seats in it, which I much appreciate that because I do not like the gray seats. I like the black ones. Factory radio, which is fine with me. Now, the radio didn't work, but it actually did. The button doesn't work, but you can put a CD in and it cuts it on. So, radio works. It didn't have an AC belt on it. I put one on it, and the compressor's not locked up, so that's a bonus. I'm going to try to charge it and see if it'll work. Like I said, the blinker did not work. Driving light did, but the blinker didn't. I'm just now replacing this. I don't know if you know, there's 3 ways you can replace this. Now, if you've got big hands like me, you cannot do the easiest way. The easiest way is to move this brake duct down and out of the way and get in there and get it. Well, as you can see, my hand does not fit in there. So I could not do it that way. The other way is to take the hat off of the headlight. Now that way worked for me. And there's also one other way, is to actually take the access panel off up under. Well, it's kind of low, so I figured the hat way would be the best way to do that. So that's what I did. It's not really that hard. You got 2 screws here. You got to take the plastic off, which is a screw here, and then the hat bolts on over here. You lift the headlight up, and it's got another bolt for the hat, for the plastic, and then one for the hat. So not too hard to do, and you can get in right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right here. And so that's what I did. I replaced it that way. I just haven't put the hat back on. But I got a hell of a deal. $6 grand. The gentleman wanted $8 grand for it. And it's got the ABS light, traction light on. I scanned it before I bought it. It needs a front wheel sensor, which I've got one on order. It's the whole wheel, it's the whole bearing, it's the whole thing. And I got it off Parts Geek, I think it is. and it was $40. It scanned with 2 oxygen sensor problems, the bank 1, bank 2, sensor 1, upstream on both sides. I was able to find those on, I think it was Amazon, for $9 a piece. Yeah. Instead of going to AutoZone and paying $40 to $50 a piece, I'd rather pay the $9 one and get the exact same thing that's coming from China. Anyways, I just wanted to show everybody my $6,000 Vette that runs amazing. Matter of fact, I will fire her up. And I'll let you hear the exhaust with the single Flowmaster Super 40, 2 in, 2 out. So let's see, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we'll find out. Sounds pretty mean. I'm happy with it. I mean, what else can you get for $6 grand? A Honda Civic, an Altima? Nah, I think I'll go with the Corvette. Yes, please. And this thing gets a lot of attention. It's amazing. Little kids are waving at you. Old people on Harleys wave at you. Like, yeah, you know, because every 60-year-old wants one. And most 60-year-olds are driving one. I'm 36 though. And I've always wanted one. I don't really care for the C6. I like the lines of the C5 more. The headlights, I like the pop-up headlights way more. But we got a check engine light, we got a traction control light and ABS light, 2 oxygen sensors, the wheel sensor, and the tank doesn't work. But I was reading up that the ribbon cable comes loose on these a lot, so I'm gonna take the instrument panel out and check the cable. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I mean, everything else works in this car. Cruise works, but yeah, not bad. I like it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get back to putting this hat back on, and I will catch you later.